So, other than the fact that magnesium is really flammable, I think we can utilize this on the 3D printers. I don't know why we aren't using magnesium parts because they sell magnesium extrusions, and magnesium is super dampening. So, it would take a lot of the ghosting and ringing naturally without having to put any dampeners. It's a self-dampening thing as well, but look at the strength comparison. So other than the fact that yeah, it might just burst into flames, you might need to coat it in some kind of finish or something to seal it from the environment. You definitely don't want it to oxidize, and but yeah, it incinerates at like 500 degrees. So I don't know. We're never gonna reach that. So 3D printing, I don't know why we're not using magnesium, guys. So what are your thoughts? Anybody check out the extrusions? I mean, I know the CO10 extrusions, they sell pre-made, contain a small amount of magnesium, which, is decent, but it's not magnesium. So anybody else thinking about making some parts out of this?